Special welcome to our Sky Miles and Medallion members. Thank you to trust us with your travel.
Hey guys, welcome to San Diego. Next stop, rental car. That's funny. Alright, I'm going back beach. Oh god, I'm scared. Oh my god! Let me see your shave ice. Ooh, yummy. What time is it? 3:40? Check-in's at 4? We're gonna go check on it. What you doing?
Come on.
Time
to
to
check in. We got dinner pretty soon. Where's 122? You gotta find it so I don't pass
122. We finally got the keys to check in and we can't get into our room. Matt went to go open the door. The keys wouldn't work. So now he's at the front desk. Okay, so what's the plan?
on the 111. Okay. Don't really take anything out until I try these keys.
Oh my god, where's the other bed?
There's a cot thing.
Hi guys, welcome to our room. I'm going to give you guys a room tour. First we have a sink with hand and body lotion, sweet orange blossom. And we also come into the bathroom. Very nice wallpaper and a couple little and medium and big towels. Now the room. And then we have the TV and it's huge.
Yeah, how many inches?
I'm not gonna count that.
For dinner, we decided to try out Dockside 1953, which was located inside the resort. We grabbed a table outside on the heated patio so we could take in the views. I started off with a Mai Tai and Matt ordered a glass of wine. Then we shared the sourdough bread, Bahia wedge, and braised short ribs. Gretchen, of course, stuck with her trusty grilled cheese. We just finished eating dinner here at the hotel. They have a restaurant on site called the Dockside. I think it's Dockside 1953. Anyways, it's super good. Now we're about to go check out the pool. Well, it's like Friday night. Okay, show me the machine. Oh my gosh. What's the breakfast place called?
Woody's.
Woody's. And how much further is it?
100 yards.
Okay. If you're looking for a great spot to grab breakfast or lunch right on the beach, then look no further. Matt ordered a scramble, I went for the breakfast burrito, and Gretchen decided on the pancakes. While the food was a little on the pricey side, it was delicious and the ocean views made for a very memorable experience. We would definitely visit again. After breakfast, we decided to stop by Windansea Beach. We had a blast exploring the rock formations and sea cliffs. Parking was a bit challenging, but it was beautiful and it would be a great place to catch a sunset. Torrey Pines Glider Port offers breathtaking views of the coastline, towering cliffs, and an opportunity to get up close and observe the paragliders in action. If you have kids with you, they will love exploring the grounds. There are some hiking trails that lead down to the beach and a cafe where you can grab an ice-cold drink or a coffee and take in the views. Located within the La Jolla community overlooking the Pacific Ocean is the Salk Institute. We visited on a Sunday and unfortunately it was closed, but we still had a fun time walking around, admiring the distinct architecture of the building and its surroundings. I wanted to talk a little bit about our stay at the Bahia Resort. We booked one of the beachfront rooms, which had an outdoor patio that was just a few steps from the water. Having everything we needed within reach made planning a day at the beach a breeze. The beach was lined with cabanas. Gretchen liked to call them cocoons. These were very comfortable and were available for guests to use at no additional charge. We really enjoyed the pool. It was centrally located in the resort and had plenty of chairs and a large hot tub. The gardens and the grounds of the property were very beautiful and the location was spot on. It was about a 5-minute walk to Mission Beach, which has multiple shops and restaurants. We walked over to this area for dinner one evening and also checked out the iconic roller coaster at Belmont Park. If you're looking to get out on the water during your stay, be sure to book a tour on the Bahia Belle, a 3-story Mississippi-style boat that operates seasonally and cruises around the bay. Additionally, the resort also had bikes, kayaks, and paddleboards that were available to rent. Although we didn't have the smoothest check-in experience at the resort, the remainder of our stay was wonderful and we wouldn't hesitate to book with them again.
Good morning.
You want to be pet?
This is our last full day in San Diego. What are we doing today?
We're going to San Diego Zoo.
Are you excited, Matt?
Mm-hmm.
San Diego Zoo, here we come.
The San Diego Zoo is known for being one of the top zoos in the United States. If you're planning to visit, make sure you wear good walking shoes and comfortable clothes because you'll be on your feet the majority of the day. Pick up a map when you enter and make a game plan to make the most out of your time. We visited in April and it was cool in the morning, but as the day went on, it got pretty hot, so depending on what time of year you visit, you may want to bring an extra layer or a pair of shorts, and of course, plenty of water and sunscreen.
Oh boy, we'll even things out. We'll go on this side.
The San Diego Zoo is situated within Balboa Park, which is filled with jaw-dropping buildings, lush gardens, and a variety of museums and attractions. Unfortunately, we were exhausted after the zoo, so we didn't end up visiting, but it's definitely an attraction you may want to consider exploring when planning your trip.